2.8s. That's pretty good.
So good. I like it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This is only my second car show, so.
Okay.
And this thing anyway.
Yeah. So your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Scott Jeffers, and I got 2.8 XV3s on MD car amps 3K, and I got a 440 by 4 on my doors.
Nice. Is this a 8-inch?
Yes, 8 inches.
Okay, the V3s. Very nice. What are these subs rated at, the X series?
Supposedly those are 800 watts RMS.
Okay.
You can't believe that.
Yeah.
Especially with the sundowns.
And your port's on the side?
Yes, sir. It's 10 to 35.
Okay. Did you build this?
I had Dylan Stearns built it out of Winston-Salem.
Okay. Looks good.
Appreciate it.
Did you do any kind of SPL tests on it at all? Just for fun?
I haven't done since I've done my roof and my sides and my rear deck, but I did a 45.5 then.
Nice.
35 hertz.
Okay.
I'm sure I'm probably closer to 47 by now.
Yeah.
Which I wasn't really going for numbers.
Yeah. You did a lot of Dynamat all on the trunk too, that helps.
I put about $300 of Dynamat in the
Nice. Wow. Even on the, did you do on the roof too?
Oh, yeah. 4 layers.
Wow, okay, a lot of work. Oh yeah, that sounds good, yeah.
It's a big difference.
Yes, sir.
Of course, mine sounds better with the door open.
Okay. Yeah, what size alternator?
Stop.
Just stock, okay.
96 hour headway.
Okay. There you go. And your seats can come up if you need to?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's why I was trying. That's what I like about these tar amps. They're small but efficient.
Yeah.
Just a lot smaller and they work good.
Yes, sir.
Get this thing set up. I'm still working on everything.
You're good. It's always work in progress.
Shit. Cracked my dash already.
Oh, man. Pretty unique to be able to see 2 8s. What made you go with 8s instead of 10s or 12s? Just curious.
I was going to do 115.
Oh, 15, okay.
About those for $125 a piece.
All right, yeah, that's a
Like,
win.
well, it's cool. 8s, nobody has them.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I had a 1500 watt amp on it, 2 on them, and it sounded good. I was like, hey, this might sound pretty good. So and I bought that tar amp for $255, and I'll tell you what, that came
Opened up when you added more power?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It sounded good. I like it.
Want me to shut the trunk real quick?
What you want to hear, right? You want to hear about 38 hertz? Or you want to hear a little?
Near your peak frequency.
Let's go with something.
Okay. Halfway through, I'm going to step out and get trunk flex. Pretty unique to be able to see 2 8s. What made you go with 8s instead of 10s or 12s? Just curious.
I was going to do 115.
Oh, 15, okay.
About those for $125 a piece.
All right, yeah, that's a
Like,
win.
well, it's cool. 8s, nobody has them.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I had a 1500 watt amp on it, 2 on man. It sounded good. I was like, man, this might sound pretty good. So and I bought that tar amp for $255. And I'll tell you what, that came
Opened up when you added more power.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sounded good. I like it.
Nice. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man. That was awesome. You're welcome.